Alright guys, it is November 23rd, 2021. From here I gotta go do a burner service for a lady, and I had a schedule for this morning. And I'm going over there now. She's a call. I always call before I go anywhere, make sure the people are around, they're gonna be home. They answer the phone, then I go. That's how I do things.
Turn left on Butler Street, then take the first left.
If they're not there, they don't pick up the phone, I don't go. That's always my motto.
Turn left on Mill Street.
Oh, I'll be home, just come by. No, I call you. If you don't pick up the phone, I don't go. That's just, they're out for breakfast, or they're sleeping, or, or they had to go take their 105-year-old grandmother to get their teeth pulled. Who the hell knows?
Turn right on Silver Avenue.
If they can't pick up the phone, they're not there. That's a little good advice for you young guys starting a business. The only time you should be driving and moving the truck is if you're on the clock and making money. If you're not going to be making any money. You're just driving around for free estimates, or don't do it. You're just wasting time, and time is money. I'd rather be on the couch at home watching TV than working for free. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots of this burner service. Definitely a lot of sediment here. We're going to take it apart, check the burners. Cast iron burners. And see, these ear bands are not open all the way. That's probably going to be high CO. Almost guarantee you that. Yeah, man, I like to take them burners out and clean them. They look pretty bad. See how this isn't open? That's going to be a problem. A lot of times they strap these so you can't get them out. I'll be able to get in there with my brush and clean the burners. Not working shit. Yeah, I like to get them out of there if I can. They're strapped in the back. I got a cut in the back here. These burners out of here. There's wires in the back I had to cut. I get these burners out. clean them properly. Sucker's hot. I don't know if I can even get it out. Just clean the place maybe. Design. Some of them want to come out that easily. They just clean them in place. I'll tell you one thing right now. See these ear bands? I want to give it more ear than that. Open up the ear bands. See the ear bands? I'm going to open them up. We'll try running it, check the combustion. I think they don't seem to want to come out. Yeah, clean them in place, it should be okay, as long as the combustion's alright. We're not getting any younger here, Mama. Let's see if we can fire it up, see if it'll fire up. I'm gonna have to jump out the TT. Check our combustion. Put that cover back on for now. Just want to check our CO, make sure it's okay. PPMs. This has to be below 50. It would have been way off before with the when he's down there smoking. Make sure it's running clean, you know. With those bands closed the way down like that, the PPMs would have been crazy high. Not enough oxygen. Yeah, it does make a difference. If these batteries are low, this thing won't print dark. It makes a difference. Oh, you just shut off. You just shut off. We're good with the readings. If these batteries are low, this writing will be really, really light. Shut off on high limit. Yeah, she shut off on high limit. 20 psi. See, we got cast iron radiators upstairs. I'm gonna have to bleed them. Old damper control. That's an old one. It's off on high limit right now. There's a Bryant. So what we did is we brushed down the burners, reset the air bands, and combustion test passed. Got AC over here. Gonna just bleed the radiators upstairs. Oh, look at all this shit. Wow. It's a lot of cable.